forgive me in this video that you're about to watch. I am now at the end of the video and realized that I had my phone in the upright position, which is for Instagram purposes, and I was filming that way throughout the whole video until now that I reach to the end of the video and I take the phone off the tripod to actually show you guys the finished product using the back camera by me holding the phone. Is when I realized that, girl, you've been filming all this time, 2 full hours, 2.5 full hours, and I didn't realize. So guys, forgive me, but you will be seeing this video in the long upright version and not the this way version. So I do hope you still enjoy the video. I hope you are inspired, and please don't forget to thumbs up, to subscribe if you haven't. Guys, love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome everybody. I just wanted to do a quick intro. Hope everybody is doing fine. Guys, it's now 12:25 and your girl is home. Today is a Monday. Yes, I am filming on this Monday and I'm going to be posting this video tonight on this Monday because your girl have not get to film for YouTube for the past week because I was at the salon working busy, and the thing is, it's difficult when you're having to use your phone to film for both YouTube and Instagram. So guys, that is a task. I still have to play around and see how I can do both, but right now Instagram is what pains, so you know that my business, I need to focus on that end. But guys, I can't neglect YouTube, so I say no, what, after day let me film for YouTube and just post it the same day as I do it. It's not going to be too long of a video. I have to do too much editing. In this video I am actually going to do a meal prep, guys, and the meal prep is mainly for myself. What we do normally in this house, we normally grocery shop at the end of the month. All of my kids are all grown now, so we all put together money and we shop at the end of the month, and everybody would do their own individual meal plan and prep for the week and all that kind of stuff. So what I noticed has been happening, because the last grocery haul you guys see me post the other day, right now guys, the house don't bear. The house barely having anything. So what we decide to do from next month, guys, is everybody gonna do their own grocery. Everybody's gonna buy their own grocery. We will still tally up, but we will not tally up like how we used to, but we'll still tally up money at the end of the month, and that tally will be for just like things like toilet paper, toothpaste, you know, things like that. The seasonings, because it don't make no sense everybody buying their own different seasonings and things like that and so forth. So stuff like that we'll still tally up, and I will get that when I go to shop. But everybody else will buy their own grocery, because everybody don't like to eat what I cook all the time, guys. I find that the kids more straight. Like my oldest daughter, she really on a health spree, so you know she gonna be doing enough tuna stuff, enough wraps, them kind of things. So she gonna need different stuff, things like that. My other daughter, she is something else. She don't like to be in the kitchen too much, so she would eat whatever, but still she don't want the same thing all the time and so forth. So you know, they're older now. My son is chef, so his way of cooking totally gone different. So them older now, and you know, when you're older, you just want to be your own person, your own woman, your own man. So you know, it's time for me to just let them be them own thing. And by that happening, you know, the food stuff just go too fast. So it makes sense to let them branch out and let them know how to budget their money, buy their own stuff, and you know, see how life, you know, hits out there a little bit. I think that is it. So that is the agreement that we made. So from next month, guys, you will not see me making this big extravagant haul like I used to. It will just be my personal haul with some main stuff that we do get for home for everybody to use. Alright guys, so I already boiled the chicken and the lamb. So now I'm going to mix up the sauce now to actually push them in the oven. So let's get to doing that. guys, so the way how I flavor my meat, I use the same liquid, the same broth that we boil the meat into, and then I add my flavor. I like to add this mambo sauce to it. I like to add the barbecue sauce and also my onion, my garlic, my chive, my sweet pepper, all those stuff if I have it, or in my case today I just added onion and garlic. Then I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning, some paprika, black pepper, all those kind of good stuff, guys. Now you can season it to your liking. Okay, don't forget as well, I already has properly seasoned my meat before I boil it, so therefore the seasoning I'm adding into it now is just to enhance what is already there. Okay, so guys, when you're doing this, make sure you taste to make sure your pack gonna be good, because once it already cooking up inside the day, there is no more adding flavor. All right, so now I'm gonna add this to the chicken, and in between baking, guys, I will be taking it out and basting. I don't have to add any other flavorings to this because it's already flavored. You just have to all right, guys, so we are on to the lamb now, and we are going to do the same thing that we did for the chicken. The same thing that we're going to do for this as well, in terms of flavoring it and baking. Okay, it's two different meats, so I couldn't do one mixture because it's two different meats. Okay, so two different flavors. So I hope you're enjoying thus far and you're being inspired to get up and get in your kitchen as well and prep away, guys. Alright, guys, so I washed out the pot. Time now for me to cook the curry chicken. To do some plain white rice because of the amount of vegetables that I have to do up there. So I didn't add no peas. I already washed it and everything, put it in the pot there, guys. And where all I just do, guys, is add to my salt to my rice nowadays is some salt, and some oil. That's it, guys. I do not add, sometimes I add butter and all of that, but today I just feel, because it's plain rice, I can just do the oil. And alright, guys, so I have to cut off other garlic, fresh garlic for this. to baste the chicken so that the top could take the color, get a nice color, and don't be dry or get burnt, you know what I mean? So in between baking time, you want to pull out the chicken and baste the top. So I can left this in again and check it back in another half hour. My oven does bake real slow, guys. It do bake fast. Alright guys, your girl hungry, so I decided to cut up an apple. And my daughter have this tahini. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Guys, this just tastes so good from fruit. So I'm gonna put some on it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna have alright y'all, time for me to do the bok choy now because the curry chicken is finished. Alright guys, so the only thing I'm flavoring this with is some onions, some Maggi seasoning, some salt, and that is it guys. That's all I used. I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. Basting the chicken, you see how pretty they get. So this is gonna be the last base because the sauce coming in thick and nice now. Well, not too thick, not too watery, and we want gravy guys, but I want the sauce to come in a bit more and for the chicken to get color a bit more. Okay, so this is going to be the last base. We basting them and then they're going to be done. Guys, the whole place smells so good. So now I can put this at the bottom rack. So the next half hour that should come out guys. Baked chicken now come out. That is the baked lamb chop there, the meat falling off the bone. In here is the bok choy and okra. I now take off this guys, steaming hot. That is the carrots, the cabbage, and the Brussels sprouts. Over here is the rice, plain white rice. Here is the curry chicken guys. Yes, and that is it. That is all I prepped guys. That is all I prepped for today. So guys, I am going to dish up and all of that, but before I do that guys, I'm going to fry the chicken now and do the put the pizza in the air fryer, and that is what I'm gonna have for my lunch guys. So here is the pizza. I'm going to put it in the air fryer now, and over here I got the wings frying up there, so that's gonna be my